Let's talk about how full adders and half adders work first. We know full adder is a combinational circuit where we can give three inputs, namely A, B, and then C in. And after processing, we will get two outputs, the sum and then the carry out. Half adder is somewhat the same, but it has only two inputs. It can't work with carry in, only two bits, A and B. And it also gives out the sum and then the carry. We don't say carry out because there is only one carry involved, and that is carry out. So it's C, that's it. And the equation for S here is A XOR B XOR C in. And the sum here will be A XOR B. And then the carry out is given as AB plus BC plus AC. But here the carry is given as only AB. Now, how are we going to use half adders to create the full adder? That's the question. To make a full adder by using the half adders and OR gate, we will need two half adders and only one OR gate. Let me show you by drawing the diagram. And first of all, we just send A and B through a single half adder. And that will produce two outputs, okay, which are the S, intermediate S, which is A plus A XOR B, and then this is C in, and then we have the carry, the intermediate carry, which is AB. Now what we have to do is we have to send A XOR B. Okay, we have to send A XOR B and C in through another half adder. And we will get the final sum, which is A XOR B XOR C in. Now, there is another question. Well, this C, okay, the carry from this, what is it? Well, the carry from this will be A XOR B into C in. And here we have C is equals to AB. How can we use these two to come up with the final carry out, which is AB plus BC plus AC? Well, if we connect these two, okay, if we connect these two and send them through an OR gate, we actually get the carry out AB plus BC plus AC. How does that work? Good question. Well, let's simplify and find out. So we know that the C out here is actually equal to, we are getting the AB, so it will be AB plus A XOR B into C in, and that will be equals to AB plus AB bar plus A bar B into C in, and that will be given as AB plus AB bar C in plus A bar B C in. Now I can take A as the common term for the first two terms, and that will give me A into B plus B bar C in plus A bar B C in. Well, B plus B bar C in is equals to B plus C according to the redundancy law. So that will be A into B plus C in plus A bar B C in. Now I can expand this and I'll get AB plus AC in plus A bar B C in. Now what I can do is I can take C in as the common term in the last two terms. So that will give me AB plus C in into A plus A bar B. And we know A plus A bar B is just A plus B. So final output will be AB plus BC plus AC. This is how you have to create a full ladder using 2 half adders and only 1 OR gate. Thank you for watching the video on how to create full ladders by using only 2 half adders and 1 OR gate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more lessons. I will meet you in another video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Bye bye.